Welcome to Slow Flow English.
Learning English is fun when you do it every day. You don't need to be perfect to start learning. Small steps every day make a big change later. Don't worry about mistakes because everyone makes them. Listen to short stories and repeat the easy words. Watch English videos and speak with your heart. Try to think in English for a few minutes a day. You can learn faster when you smile and relax. Reading simple sentences helps you feel confident. Write one easy sentence every morning to practice. Listen first, and then try to say the same words. Use English in your daily life, little by little. It's okay if you forget. Just try again tomorrow. You learn more when you enjoy what you do. Every new word is a small success. Don't study too long. Short study works better. Speak slowly and clearly when you practice. Listen to songs and try to catch easy words. Talk to yourself in English for a few minutes. Learning is a journey, so enjoy each step you take. Before every trip, check your bag and your smile. Make a small plan and choose one place to visit. Travel light and bring only what you really need. Always carry some water and a little hope. Don't forget your passport and your good mood. Learn a few local words before you go somewhere new. A simple hello can make people smile at you. Take a small notebook and write your feelings each day. Check the weather and wear something comfortable. Bring your curiosity and your kindness everywhere you go. Some trips are short, but the memories stay long. Don't worry if plans change. It's part of travel. Keep a small map or use your phone when you walk. Smile at new people, and they will smile too. Bring a camera, but don't forget to look around. Every place has a special story to tell you. Try local food, even if it looks different. Taste is part of learning about the world. Take time to rest and breathe deeply every day. A happy traveler enjoys small things along the way. Walk slowly and watch the world with kind eyes. Every street has something beautiful to show you. Talk to local people and listen to their stories. You can learn so much from short talks with strangers. Always say thank you when someone helps you. Be polite and use kind words wherever you go. Sometimes things go wrong, but stay calm and smile. Ask for help kindly when you need it. People are usually happy to help you. Every problem becomes small when you stay positive. Take many photos, but enjoy the view with your eyes. Watch the sunset and feel thankful for the day. Sometimes do nothing and just enjoy being there. You don't need a plan to enjoy a good moment. Eat slowly and enjoy every bite of your meal. Try to learn one new word each day of your trip. Say it to people and practice your English naturally. Remember, everyone likes kind people with a smile. Don't compare places, just enjoy where you are. The best part of travel is being fully in the moment. When you return home, remember what you learned. Look at your photos and smile about your memories. Travel teaches you how to see small things. You learn to wait, to smile, and to be calm. Every trip makes you a kinder person inside. The world feels smaller when your heart is open. Tell your friends about the places you visited. Share your favorite memories and funny moments. When you share stories, you live them again. Every traveler becomes a storyteller at heart. Try to keep the travel spirit in your daily life. Go for short walks and watch people kindly. Every day can be a small adventure. Learn something new from simple things around you. You don't need to go far to grow. Sometimes peace is in a quiet morning at home. Make tea, sit down, and think about your journey. You will feel thankful for all your steps. Remember that travel never really ends inside you. Every memory stays and makes you a bit wiser. Be kind to new people just like you were traveling. Say thank you often, even for small things. Gratitude makes your heart lighter and your day brighter. Take time to rest without feeling guilty. Rest helps you start strong again tomorrow. Smile at yourself in the mirror every morning. Say, "I'm doing my best today," and mean it. You are learning, growing, and living every single day. Life is not a race. It's a gentle walk. Enjoy the walk and look at the sky often. Clouds move, and so do you, slowly but surely. When days feel hard, breathe and start again. Every morning is a chance to do better. Be proud of small steps and small wins. Keep your heart soft, even when life feels heavy. Talk kindly to yourself. You are your best friend. Learn from people, from places, and from mistakes. Every lesson makes you stronger inside. Don't wait for perfect days. Enjoy the normal ones. Ordinary days often hold the most peace. Say yes to new experiences and new people. You never know what will make you happy. Keep learning something small every single day. Read, listen, or watch something that inspires you. Write about what made you smile today. Share your smile with others around you. Love the people near you and care for them. Be gentle when you speak and honest when you listen. When you give love, it always comes back to you. Keep your life simple and your heart open. You don't need much to feel happy inside. The more you share, the lighter you feel. Every day gives you one reason to smile. Look for that reason before you sleep. Dreams are part of your journey, too. Sleep well and wake up with hope again. You are stronger than you think you are. Keep going, even when things feel slow. Life is a long journey full of learning and love. Enjoy the road and be proud of how far you've come.